Morning, YouTube. Well, this has been my view for a couple days. The Olympic Mountains in Washington, and I'm up at Port Angeles. I've been here a couple days at the local Walmart trying to get some meds refilled. So got that all worked out, and so. All right, so here we are at the ferry. It's 57.50 for me to cross, but if I had to drive all the way down to Seattle and beyond to get around and back, it would cost me way more than that and a few days. So, all right, I got about an hour before the next ferry comes through, so I am going to get some lunch and read a book and relax. So, see you when we get loading. Well, we're on the ferry. I don't know if I'll be able to get the door open to go up and get a view, but we'll try once they get all loaded. Alright, so we're on the ferry. Hope you can hear me over the motor. Saying goodbye to the Olympic Peninsula. Get on the other side and head north until I run out of the United States. And there's a spot up there on the Canadian border I want to get to, but it probably won't be for another couple days, but we'll see what I can find along the way. So I take you on the bow of the ship, but it's really noisy up there, but we'll take a shot. Now the fun of getting back into the bus. As you can see, when the doors are open, I can't get through, so I gotta get down on my hands and knees underneath this truck. Come on, cat. And climb back in. Good fun. All right, so I got across the ferry with no problems. I wish I could have got better shots, but when you're behind a semi, literally right behind, sandwiched between a couple of semis, there's not a whole lot of loading and unloading pictures I can get. I came up Washington Route 20 and came up here to Desperation Pass State Park. Normally, I don't, I try not to stay in pay places, but state parks are usually less expensive. This place had 3 categories of campsites, 25, 30, or 35. I couldn't tell you what the difference was. Place is mostly empty right now, so same price for the electric and water as the non-electric and water, so I took one of the ones with electric and water. I did dump. I needed to do that. I filled up at the dump station. So now I'm on the campground water, so I'm not going to use any of my water in my tank. So I should be really good to go. The other reason to stay here is they had showers. It's 50 cents for 3 minutes. So I bought 2 tokens, and when I went in, I turned the water on and I had running water. It was cold, but I let it run and let it run, and then I don't know whether it was just dumb luck or whatever. As soon as I put the token in, I got hot water. It's supposed to only last 3 minutes, and I took a very nice long shower and never ran out of hot water and never turned it off. So I don't know, somebody drew the wrong valve and I got a free shower. Well, I did pay because I put the token in. So I still got another token. So I'll go take another shower in the morning because I got it. I might as well. So anyway, if anybody works for Walmart, suggestion for Walmarts, they may want to put in a pay shower, you know, somewhere, or they can, hey, I'm willing to pay $1 to get a nice hot shower. It wouldn't be bad if I stayed at Walmart, maybe so you could come from the outside. I don't know, just a suggestion. They probably won't do it, but wouldn't be nice. So anyway, I'm off down the road tomorrow, heading a little farther north, and we'll see what that brings. See you later, YouTube. What you doing down there, Cammy? Grass.